Hello there. In today's Academy video, we will be talking about how you can create your own design themes for your ArcLab module. In addition to the preset themes that ArcLab provides, if you feel that you will want a more personalized theme that is not in ArcLab selection, you can do just that by creating your own design themes. These themes that you create can be saved and used in future ArcLab modules that you create. What you need to do is under the Design button, at the bottom right corner of the panel, where the preset design themes are held, you can instantly customize your very own design themes by choosing your desired theme colors for the different ArcLab screen elements, optionally uploading a logo as well as a background image which will fit the theme that you are working towards. For example, I'm working on the Christmas events module and I want to have a festive feel to it. So incorporate the colors of Christmas such as green, red, white, gold, and blue into my design theme. So let me do just that. As you can see, right above the change background image color, there are 5 circles that represent the different colors of each screen element. From left to right, we have the window, which contains the highlight text, the body text, the highlight text itself, the button, and as well as the button text. So let me configure it instantly. Alright, I'm done adding in the colors. I have also added some extra stuff such as the background image as well as the logo. Where you can upload your background image will be under the change background image and color, and you can upload or search for an image that suits your theme. As for the logo, it's right below it where it states change logo image. So once you are fully satisfied with the design theme that you have created, just scroll down the panel till you see the buttons clone as new theme and update current theme. So if you're trying to create a new design theme, click on the clone as new theme and give this theme a new name. So for me, it'll be Christmas, and let's do that. So once you have created a new theme, it will be added into the company theme section next to our presets. And if you're editing one of your own themes, just click on the current theme button to save it. And if you like to delete a theme, just hover over the theme that you want to delete and a trash can icon will appear. Just click on it and type in the theme name itself and just delete it. So do know that when you are adjusting one of the preset themes that we have, click on the clone as new theme button to clone your updated design as a new theme and follow the same steps by creating a name, and it will be saved under the company's theme section. I hope that this tutorial will encourage you to create your own unique designs on top of what ArcLab provides and allow your learners to have a more immersive experience. Thank you.